i35equipment.com. This is NewHolland LB75B Backhoe Loader. This machine does have the front flip over forks. It also has extendahoe, 4-wheel drive, full cab, factory AC and heat. Runs and operates really good. One owner, local machine here. Welcome you to come look at her for yourself. Bring your mechanic and operator. It is shown by appointment only though, so please give us a call to get on the counter. Phone number is 405-833-6437. Check a hauling quote. Please send us an email with your full delivery address. Be happy to look into that for you. We send equipment all over the country, so getting it shipped to you should not be too big of an issue. This machine has good power. See the front flashers working up there, as well as 3 out of 4 of the front work lights. I saw 4 out of 4 of the back work lights were on. Has the hydraulic rear outriggers. We had some rain last night, so you'll see some water coming out of the buckets. Speaking of buckets, this machine also has 2 extra buckets that are included with it. They're sitting over here. We'll show those to you in just a moment. See the articulating arm. Good power. The extendahoe. Extendahoe is super helpful if you need to dig deeper, but also if you don't want to move the machine just to dig a little further out. It's a really nicely loaded machine from the factory. Tire tread looks to be really good all the way around. We'll take a look at those shortly. Go show you these buckets for a moment. He's getting set up to drive it around. This one has 3 teeth, 12 inch. This one has 4 teeth, it's an 18 inch, and the one on it right now I believe is a 24 inch. Here's the reversal arm working. If you know anyone with idle heavy equipment, please share our information and website with them, www.i35equipment.com. We specialize in consignment heavy equipment sales. We've got people looking to buy equipment, and we'd be happy to sell their equipment on consignment for them. Let's take a look at these tires, give him a chance to get out, then we'll hop up in the operator station. Front tires are 12 by 12-16.5. Rear tires are 19.5 L-24. This bucket has 4 teeth on it. You can also see it has the auxiliary hydraulics. I'll show you the air side too. There's that. In case you decide to add some sort of hydraulic thumb or other accessory out there. The front here has hydraulics as well, in case you decide to add a clamshell or other accessory. The forks, you just unpin it right here on both of them. They flip over the front. Currently showing 2735 hours. Feel that cold working air conditioning in here. These are your hydraulic outrigger controls. This is for the extendahoe pedal there. For your wobble sticks to control backhoe functions. That's what locks it if you're transporting or just need to keep it straight up and down. It does have a radio. Let's check it out and see if it's working. Doesn't seem to be going at this time. Might just be me though. Sorry about that. All right. Shifter, 4 speeds, neutral. So we got the headlights on here. This is your 4-wheel drive control. See, the only light on is hydraulic fluid. It is a little low on hydraulic fluid. Not bad though. You can still see it in the sight glass. Just a little low. All right. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, just give us a call. Phone number is 405-833-6437. As always, you see your full and up-to-date inventory online at www.i35fluid.com. Have a wonderful day.